Okay. Thank you so much, students, for joining. And let's begin our today's lecture. I would like to know from you that being the students of literature and linguistics and in English department, how many of you know about Noam Chomsky? Have you heard about him or his name before? Any ideas? Write in the chat box because when I will want you to speak, I will unmute you, or otherwise, please keep writing in the chat box. All right, you have heard about him. All right, some of you are saying no, this is first time. All right, Kosar is saying he is called the father of linguistics. Yes. All right, let me admit. Fine, thank you so much. All right, so let's talk about Noam Chomsky. Noam Chomsky is an American linguist and philosopher, as it is already written. You can see on the screen that Noam Chomsky is also accredited and he is considered father of modern linguistics. Why is it so? You will just we will study and we are going to discuss about his work, his body of work that he has done in the field of linguistics, and that is why he stands out and he shines out as very prominent figure in the field of linguistics. In the field of linguistics, just give me a second. I have to receive a call. Hello, I'm so sorry, students. I'm so sorry. Okay. I hope my voice is clear. Now you can hear me well, everyone? All right. Sufyan has raised the hand. Yes, Sufyan. I think we will be holding another session, so don't worry about it. Sufyan. Okay, Sufyan, I have unmuted you. Sufyan, you can speak.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam. Yes, Sufyan.
Assalamualaikum. Ma'am, I hope you are good. Ma'am, students are asking before we join the session. You were talking about any assignment.
Yes, 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 yes. I just explained that how your exam will be conducted, online exam will be conducted, all right? And I have explained this to one of the students here, whose name is, I think I'm forgetting. So he is going to brief you, and further I will also write in the chat box. We will actually follow the same pattern for your exam as we did in the midterm, everyone. Okay, Abdul Sattar, yes. Abdul Sattar was with me, and I requested Abdul Sattar to spread my word and give this message to everyone. So, Sufyan, what we are going to do, and everybody here present, we are going to follow the same system that we did in the midterm examination. I will provide you the list of questions, and as the assignment, you will work on it, and you will email me after a few days. Clear? So,
Okay, ma'am.
हम आपको तकरीबन I will give you 3 to 4 days to work on those assignments. और थोड़ा सा असाइनमेंट्स को मैं ट्विक इन द सेंस कर दूंगी कि लाइक हम नोम चॉम्स्की को कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, अभी पढ़ रहे हैं, तो मेरा जो क्वेश्चन होगा वो थोड़ा सा रिसर्च बेस्ड होगा, सो दैट यू कैन, और मे बी रिफ्लेक्शन इन द सेंस, प्लीज लिसन टू द वीडियोस एंड द लेक्चर्स वेरी केयरफुली. मैंने कुछ वीडियोस रिकॉर्ड भी किए हैं, वो रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स आई एम गोइंग टू पुट ऑन यूट्यूब, सो आपको ज्यादा बेहतर आइडिया होगा. उसको अच्छे से पढ़ें. आपके जो क्वेश्चंस होंगे वो आपका ओपिनियन होगा अबाउट नोम चॉम्स्की एंड हिज थ्योरी, अबाउट स्ट्रक्चरलिज्म, फर्डिनेंड डी सोस्योर एंड हिज थ्योरी, ठीक है. सो वो काफी इंटरेस्टिंग होगा आपके लिए व्हेन यू विल बी वर्किंग ऑन इट, एंड आई विल गिव यू सम गुड टाइम टू वर्क ऑन योर असाइनमेंट्स. क्लियर हो गया?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, all right. So I'm so sorry. I was an important call from my office. Okay, so we were discussing about Noam Chomsky. Noam Chomsky has been accredited, and he is considered father of modern linguistics because he has actually, when you just look at the timeline, Noam Chomsky is very recent. You know that is why he is called the father of modern linguistics. Although that languages, and especially English language, there has been a lot of work done on it, and a lot of linguists and people, they have studied and researched and worked on, especially from the language acquisition point of view. जो important question हमारे जहनों में होते हैं related to language, that how do we learn languages, हम languages सीखते कैसे हैं, ये सबसे important and pertinent question होता है, ठीक है, which I will also ask you later on. So, okay, so पहले से हम थोड़ा सा नोम चॉम्स्की को ओवरव्यू कर लेते हैं. That he was born on December 7, 1928. He is an American linguist and philosopher and cognitive scientist. Cognitive का मतलब होता है related to your mental capabilities, learning capabilities, all right, and sort of related to mind. Okay, what he did actually, he is basically uh, the one who developed a theory of generativism and generative grammar. What is generativism and generative grammar? We are going to study now in the next slides. All right, he has a significant impact on the intellectual community since mid 20th century. Acha, what are his contributions? His contributions are great in the field of linguistics, and we will discuss his prominent theories that he has developed and that he presented in relation to the language acquisition. ठीक है, हम उसको आगे पढ़ेंगे. Right now, I want you to write in the chat box, and if you can raise your hand if you would like to speak on it. That have you ever wondered how young children learn a language very quickly? कभी आपने सोचा है कि बच्चे languages कैसे सीखते हैं? Write in the chat box, or if you just recall, and you can just comment on how you learned a language, whatever the language. We are not right now talking about English. We are talking about any general, any languages. It is your mother tongue, all right, whether it can be your mother tongue or any foreign languages that you know. And how can they learn many languages at the same time? So these are the questions. I want you to just they learn from environment. Yes, I was expecting this. Many of you are saying they learn from surrounding, they learn from environment, they learn quickly. Repchand is saying they learn through symbols. All right. This is Alfia. Alfia's answer was interesting, but I'm sorry I missed that in the chat box. Sabah is saying by listening. Okay. Kosar is saying surrounding environment, parents. All right. Many of you are saying by listening. Very nice. And some of you are saying by in through the environment. Those of you who are saying environment, yes, environment plays an important role. How does it play? We are going to study now. Balochi language after listening from the okay. So right. So who is this? Who is sharing the personal experience? One of the students, Haris. Haris is sharing his personal experience of learning a language that he says that he learned Balochi language. Listening from the environment. All right. Okay. We learned. All right. So two answers are very and two views are very prominent. One is listening, and the other one is environment, and no denial of these or no denial to this fact that yes, listening plays an important role as well as the environment. All right. Is it possible? Have you ever observed a child who speaks any particular language and certain words that he has never heard before? अब आप कहते हैं कि आपने अपने पेरेंट्स से सीखा, you learned from your parents, you learned through the environment. Okay, कभी आपने सोचा है? Have you heard that when a child speaks something, some words, some sentences, they are totally new to you. I mean, they have never heard from anyone, not from their parents, not from the environment. How can they speak that? It's okay. I will upload Deepak. I will upload all my lectures on YouTube. Okay. Uh, Kausar Sardar is saying naturally. Very nice, Kausar. I mean, naturally, and it is a natural process. This is what we are going to unveil and we are going to unfold by thinking. Shagufta is saying by thinking. All right. So it is very, pertinent question. Okay, sometimes children don't speak everything they hear from the environment. Sometimes they speak a lot, something new, all right, which they have never heard from the environment. Okay, so here comes generativism. Now, everyone, please, I want you to focus on it. What is generativism? Generativism is a theory that is presented by uh, Noam Chomsky. All right. So what is generativism? Please इसको बहुत गौर से पढ़ें ताकि हम आगे इस पे डिस्कस कर सकें. All right. Now, so generativism is a linguistic theory that according to this, that the grammar has certain rules and the combination of words that we follow. All right, we all know that. What is grammar? Grammar is the set of rules. Generativism में different क्या है? The term was originally used in relation to the theoretical linguistics of grammar developed by Noam Chomsky. Acha, by the way, this term generativism and generative grammar, this term has been coined by Noam Chomsky. Basically, when we talk about generative grammar, what do we actually mean by that? So, okay, let's look at the third point. The generative school has focused on the study of syntax. What is syntax? Syntax is study of sentence structure. All right. एक सेंटेंस का जो स्ट्रक्चर होता है that what should come first, उसके बाद क्या आना चाहिए, subject पहले आना चाहिए in a simple sentence, then verb. All right. So sentence pattern और sentence structure को हम study of syntax कहते हैं, and this can be one of your MCQs. So please pay attention to it. But has also addressed other aspects of language structure that includes morphology and phonology. What is morphology? Morphology means study of words and its combination. जब हम words को study करते हैं, how words are formed, अल्फाज कैसे बनते हैं, नए अल्फाज कैसे बनते हैं, okay? And phonology. What is phonology? Phonology is the study of sounds. All right. So study of words and study of sounds. This is called phonology. Okay. So let's go to the generativism. All right. So this is the technical term that was first used by Noam Chomsky in his book Syntactic Structures. So this can be one of your MCQs in the paper that generativism. Noam Chomsky wrote about generativism in his book. The name and the title of the book was what? Syntactic Structures. All right. So in this book, Noam Chomsky basically presented the theory of generative grammar, which is also called transformational grammar. All right. And this is actually the beginning of the new, you can say that avenues and the new perspectives of learning, languages and language acquisition. All right. Basically, what are the main principles of generative grammar? When we talk about generative grammar, you will do you know that all human beings, wait a minute, okay, all right, there is another term that was given by and used by Noam Chomsky, that he said universal grammar. All right. So what does it mean? That all human beings are born with an innate capacity of language. अच्छा, नोम चॉम्स्की का ये कहना था कि everyone is born with a capacity for learning a language. जब इंसान पैदा होता है तो ऑलरेडी उसके अंदर ये एबिलिटी होती है कि वो लैंग्वेजेस को लर्न कर सकें. Now let's see. All right. When we have already discussed that animals also communicate, but the communication system, the vocal cords, and their their the word what we should use, the mechanism and the articulation in the animals is different than human beings. All right, animals do not speak a language. They use different symbols, maybe they use different you can say gestures to communicate, but they don't use a language. Language is purely human trait. All right, only human beings can speak languages. So according to Noam Chomsky and generative grammar, that every human being and every human or every person has an innate ability or capacity for language learning. And this capacity shapes the rules for what is considered correct grammar in a language. Okay. He also says that uh, uh, when he discusses in the generative grammar, he also discusses one point, that is universal grammar. अब जिन्होंने environment की बात की थी, वो इस बात को जहन में रखें कि अगर हम environment की बात करते हैं, I want to give you an example. Look at this picture. All right. This picture, I would like one of you to kindly explain me this picture. Can you please raise your hand to explain this picture? Very quickly, raise your hand. Any one of you who would like to just talk about this, जो मेरे साथ थोड़ा सा interact कर सके अभी, so that we make it more interactive. Anyone would like to raise the hand? No hands are raised. Okay. Uh, I want to ask. All right, Abdul Sattar, you are asked to unmute. Okay. Okay. So,
मैम
yeah,
ये
yeah.
मैम ये पिक्चर डिस्क्राइब कर रही है कि हमें बाहर से जो एनवायरनमेंट है वहां से इनपुट मिलता है, फिर वो जो है वो ब्रेन में जाता है, फिर ये जो एक फ्लावर है ये मीन वो लैंग्वेज है, मीन ऐसे लैंग्वेज क्रिएट होती है. पहले थॉट्स आते हैं, मीन एनवायरनमेंट से हमें इनपुट मिलता है, फिर ब्रेन में वर्क होता है, फिर हमें पता फिर हम उसको यूज करते हैं.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Abdul Sattar. All right. आपने बहुत अच्छा explain किया, but थोड़ा सा हम इसको reverse में लेंगे. देखिए, why Noam Chomsky is very popular and why he is considered one of the greatest linguists. और उसकी theories को आगे challenge भी बहुत किया गया, ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं किया गया. It is vice versa. Initially, आप किसी से भी पूछा languages कैसे सीखते हैं, environment से सीखते हैं. Okay, very nice कि आप languages को environment से सीखते हैं. But Noam Chomsky, according to Noam Chomsky said that no, language is the external factor. Sorry, environment is the external factor. According to Noam Chomsky, environment is not an internal, it is external factor. मैं आपको easy लफ्जों में समझाऊं कि जब आप एक plant को grow करना चाहते हैं, ठीक है? I want to explain one thing. कि if you want to grow a plant, सबसे पहले आप क्या करेंगे उसके अंदर? Write in the chat box. आपको एक प्लांट को ग्रो करना है, किसी भी कोई भी फसल उगानी है, किसी भी प्लांट को ग्रो करना है, आपका सबसे पहला स्टेप क्या होता है? सीड. थैंक यू सो मच, वेरी नाइस. सीड. सबसे पहले आपको किस चीज की जरूरत होती है? सीड की जरूरत होती है. ओके, इफ यू डोंट सो द सीड, डेफिनेटली द प्लांट विल नॉट ग्रो. व्हाट हैपेंस इफ यू डोंट सो द सीड? अगर आप बीज ना डालें, ठीक है, जमीन के अंदर बीज ना डालें, बट यू पुट द फर्टिलाइजर, आपकी सॉइल बहुत अच्छी है, आपने उसके अंदर फर्टिलाइजर भी डाला है, आप उसको सनलाइट भी दे रहे हैं, आप उसको पानी भी दे रहे हैं एवरी डे, विल द सीड ग्रो, और सॉरी सीड तो है ही नहीं उसके अंदर, विल द प्लांट ग्रो, क्या उसके उस जमीन से कोई प्लांट निकलेगा, कोई पौधा निकलेगा? नो। वेरी नाइस। तो मैं आपको बहुत ही जनरल एग्जांपल से ये चीज समझाऊं कि नोम चॉम्स्की ने कहा कि एवरी ह्यूमन बीइंग हैज अ चिप इन द ब्रेन लाइक अ सीड, कि हर इंसान के अंदर एक नेचुरल एक नेचुरल इनेट एबिलिटी होती है उसके ब्रेन के अंदर, एक मैकेनिज्म होता है। आप एग्जांपल उसको ले सकते हैं, इजी वर्ड्स में अगर मैं आपको समझाऊं तो आप ये समझ लें कि एवरी ह्यूमन बीइंग, एवरी चाइल्ड व्हेन ही और शी इज बोर्न, उसके अंदर, उसके ब्रेन के अंदर एक चिप होती है, ऑल राइट, जो कि उसको हेल्प करती है लैंग्वेज लर्निंग के अंदर। आप ये देखें कि 1 year old चाइल्ड स्टार्ट्स स्पीकिंग, 1 साल का बच्चा बोलना शुरू कर देता है, 2 साल का बच्चा सेंटेंसेस बोलना शुरू करता है, और उनके सेंटेंसेस जो होते हैं वो वेल ग्रामेटिकली कंस्ट्रक्टेड होते हैं। जस्ट उर्दू में देखें आप, अ चाइल्ड, अगर आपने अपने नीसेस नेफ्यूज को देखा हो, बच्चों को देखा हो अराउंड, ऑलराइट, दे नेवर स्पीक रॉन्ग ग्रामर। आप देखें, दे माइट समटाइम्स दे आर, अगर वो उर्दू में बात कर रहे हैं या बलोची में बात कर रहे हैं, उनके सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर के अंदर कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता, ऑलराइट। व्हाई? बिकॉज Allah Ta'ala has, the God has given this natural ability to human beings, उनके brain के अंदर, कि वो languages को सीख सकते हैं। And children learn quickly, they learn faster than adults। तभी तो adult learning implications हैं। एक certain age के बाद, अच्छा ये भी एक फिनोमिना है अकॉर्डिंग टू नोम चॉम्स्की, कि ये जो आपका जो, अच्छा जिसको हम कहते हैं, आगे चलते हैं, ये रहा LAD। अब नोम चॉम्स्की ये कहता है कि हर इंसान के अंदर लेड है, लैंग्वेज एक्विजिशन डिवाइस, ये एक चिप उसके ब्रेन के अंदर लगी हुई होती है, ठीक है। जैसे जैसे इंसान ग्रो करता है वक्त के साथ साथ, दिस बिकम्स यू कैन से दिस गेट्स फेडेड, ये फेड होना शुरू हो जाती है, और बाय द एज ऑफ 14 और 15 इट डिसअपियर्स। तभी ये कहा जाता है कि चिल्ड्रन लर्न languages very quickly, they can learn more than one language, more than one languages at the same time। वो एक ही वक्त में बहुत ज्यादा लैंग्वेजेस सीख सकते हैं। So Noam Chomsky's theories related to language acquisition, they are very very interesting, and they actually break the stereotypical mindset that we have कि environment बहुत जरूरी है। He says yes, environment is important, but environment is external, not internal। Internally, everybody has a chip which is called language acquisition device,